In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize 3 of the most important pages on your e-commerce store. I'm going to show you some simple changes you can make to increase your revenue per session, and I'm going to show you the exact before and after designs. I'm Oliver Kenyon from ConversionWise, and this is Optimization by Oliver, episode number 58. So in this video, I picked the awesome makeup brand Alley-oop, and these guys sell innovative makeup products online, but I actually think they can generate more revenue and turn more clicks into customers, and I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I was hired to run CRO for this e-com brand. We start with the homepage, and you can see there's a real visual change here. We've gone from a relatively boring picture of the product to an actual picture of a female who's using the product. The power of influence here is going to be super powerful. But point number 1 is we've also added that all-important social proof. You can see on the before, there's no power of influence, there's no actual picture of a person, so you don't kind of desire what they have, and there's no social proof. So both of these things tick that box. Point number 2 is we're using a far more emotive and value-driven headline. You can see before it just says, "Let's get set." Well, as now it says score beauty slam dunks with Alley-oop. So we're kind of playing on that kind of wordplay of the name itself, and we've included that sub-headline as well. Number 3 is we've just expanded that CTA. We've gone a little bit more full width, and we've directed them towards the best sellers. We've done some extensive testing on this, and typically people just want to get to the best sellers as fast as possible. And number 4, due to the reorder of the above the fold, we've been able to get these trust elements that again just further enhance our value proposition, which is the main aim of your homepage, just below that call to action button. Moving on to the product page, and these guys do a very good job with their product page. It's visually very nice. It appears very nicely above the fold, but there are some subtle changes which I believe will increase their revenue per session. Number 1 is we've used our famous trust policy bar. It sits just below the navigation, and it's got those little icons and text that, again, sorry to repeat myself, further enhance the value proposition by showcasing your true value and your trust elements as a brand or a product. Number 2, just like the homepage, they seriously lack any social proof. These guys have some great reviews online. Shove it in front of people's faces and show off your reviews. Number 3, when it comes to pricing, if you are running a sale, you can see here in the before, they have a strike through, which is correct, but there is a good way to lay out your pricing if you have sales or offering discounts. And this is the way to do it. You have your strikeout price first, you have your new price second, and then you actually work out the monetary savings for people in that little label next to the price. Again, just put it in front of people's faces, do the math for them. And number 4, we've got rid of that quantity select. We rarely see that have an effect on AOV, and we've just gone for a nice full width pill button. We put the price on the button, and we've anchored it with those payment icons to again further instill trust and credibility in our brand. And number 3, the collection pages. Do not undervalue your collection pages, guys. These are really important pages, and the cardinal sin that every brand likes to do on their collection page is have this huge image and headline at the top on mobile. Get rid of it. The idea of a collection page is that you see the collection. So what have we done? We've reduced that padding at the top. We've gone straight into the products, and we've done some subtle changes on the product cards themselves. We've included these small little tabs so that people can actually slide through images, maybe creating some before and afters here, maybe actually seeing the product in use without having to go to the product page. And we've added quick add to carts on this page again to further remove any friction and just encourage people to quickly add the cart and get to that all-important checkout as quickly as possible. If you've enjoyed these tips, make sure you check out our channel for plenty more, and get in touch with me if you want my agency ConversionWise with over a decade's worth of experience in CRO to run these sort of A/B tests for your brand at ConversionWise.com. I'll see you in the next video.